folks, welcome back to Woody's Corner. Busy little spring day here. It's April 30th, 2023, and I had bought Sherry a little birthday present. Her birthday's tomorrow, and I'll turn this around. A little something for the bus. And what it is the LED light strip, basically up under the awning area there on that one flange. So it's color changing, all kinds of different stuff it can do. And I actually bought the AC 120 volt style versus a 12 volt. And I didn't do a video on how I did the install, but basically I took this 6-foot section of that little flange off, and I drilled a hole right at the end there underneath, and then I went through the bus right there, and I'll show you where it came out inside. And actually, before I go inside, the adhesive was pretty good on this after I cleaned that flange underneath all the way through there. And this was 16 foot long, so it kind of centered, in between, underneath the awning pretty well here. Then it points directly down. And but I used a little of that emblem adhesive that you use on cars every few inches, just as some extra adhesion. I was a little worried about just a sticky tape surviving here, so I went ahead and just put that on there. It's not like Gorilla Glue or anything, so if I ever have to take it off or something, I think it'll be all right. But let me go inside and show you how it came inside. The AC blowing above me here might be a little loud, but it came in right here above the window, about 8 or 9 inches forward of that in the middle. And I measured it, and it came right through there. And this is where the extension joins for the power, and I kind of taped that, caulked it outside, caulked it inside. And then I ran that wire up front to hide it, and it goes up, behind this panel that comes out, and actually all the way across. So we got some storage here, and we've got our DVD player here, and we've got a nice fancy outlet, conditioner protector here. And this is where it plugged in. It's got a little box back here. So that's the power unit. It had a nice long extension. I had actually a lot more than I needed. So that's how I did it. Got a 120 volt connection, and that's where it came in, and worked as I expected. So this is the product. I'll put a link to it in the description. And it's real straightforward. It's got some static lights when you press the ring of the color. And then with these buttons here, you can get into some different stroboscopic kind of effects, I guess, and different things. This is a brightness control, more bright, less bright, off, on, pretty straightforward. So took me a few hours to kind of do that. The hardest part here, and I knew it would be hard because I've tried to drill through the side of the metal on the bus, and I've tried using drill bits that are made from metal, and I mean, this bus is hard to get through with drill bits. So anyway, that was the hardest part, getting up there and just getting that done. I used a couple different sizes, gradually getting bigger to finally pop through all that. It was pretty tough. And then and actually on that flange thing outside, the very front screw, when I went to take it off, it broke off. And I've had that happen on some of this stuff on here. And so I had to drill that out, and that was actually what took the longest, just trying to drill that out so I could get a proper screw back in there. Just do it right. So got all that done, but that definitely took the longest to drill that out. This metal's tough stuff. But anyway, it's going to be a great addition. As we know, the modern RVs all have a little of that LED lighting effect outside, and whether you want white or even a color. It'll be kind of fun just to have that added on. So there you go. All right. So we got this LED awning light installed on the Wanderlodge. Look at that. We're like modern RVs. Whoa. It's like a disco.
Look at what I did. Now it's working.
Yeah. Well, just pick a color on the dial. So those are called static colors, and they don't do motion or anything. So yeah, you can set your mood. You want colors? You want...
I like blue.
Kind of cool.
Oh, you could make it less?
Yeah.
Make it more?
So we got it mounted so it's pointed down. So it's not going to be like pointed at you outward, I guess. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Worked out really good.
Yeah, it's perfect length too. It looks good.
There you go.